We're taking the shuttle bus to take another plane to go to Darso. So we need the shuttle bus. You're sneezing a lot, my friend.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you. That when you come back home from Tanzania, you will come here. Then you're going to say, you're going to go to small. Come on, let's go home. I need to sleep. Sleep, go, just go. Come on. Yeah, my wife's behind me. Yeah,
Go follow. Thank you.
come, Jumpy.
Come, Jumpy. We are boarding boarding. We're taking with the shuttle straight to the plane. Oh my word. This is so good. And we'll be boarding this plane. Get a shot of me, Forrest.
Oh, please go in the car.
Oh my god. Come on, Forrest. Boarding.
Clarence and Akami?
Really? Your wife is in the back of you?
My wife?
And it's raining.
Why?
That's my wife. Your beautiful wife is behind. I think it's not raining.
So you see, you have to pay attention for it, okay? And when you come back, alright?
Waiting for a turn to get in the aircraft. Waiting for a turn to get in the plane. Oh, beautiful night behind me.
Madam, please. Thank you.
Sorry. So you see?
Back, it's back.
I was going back.
No, that back. You came from back, so
Okay, how are we gonna do this?
maybe just put your bag here because there's no space there.
Yeah.
Then put it fixed and then you can come back.
And this one too, eh?
This one? Yeah.
Let
Just
me
gotta
put
find a
the
spot.
bags up.
Yeah, I'm waiting for her. It's okay. She can take her time.
Yeah, can you help me? I have something else.
Go ahead.
I'm going back.
And you're going
now.
backwards. I don't
Okay,
want to bump into the lady.
There's no
Make-
room I
you go back a
can
bit?
squeeze in.
Maybe you
Yeah, okay, there you go. Thank
Good.
you so much.
You're welcome.
Oops.
Thank you. Yeah. So can you hold this? Can you hold this, sweetie? Thank you. I'm kind of a little bit wet. That's okay. It's all good.
I need to go washroom.
Not yet.
Let's wait until everybody comes
Let's sit
in.
down.
Let's put this down.
We don't
Is there
have to.
anything in this thing worth eating?
I don't know. There's stuff in there.
Yeah, there's stuff. There's bread and stuff.
Where's the bag though? Where is the black bag?
We'll take this as a bag.
No, where is the black bag?
Black bag is up there.
Should I put that in the black
No,
bag?
the black bag is computers and all the stuff is already packed with stuff.
Okay. Alright, so we're on the plane. We're waiting to fly out. Alright guys, we are about to land into Dar es Salaam right now. So we're just cruising. We're gonna land soon. And I'll see you in the next section of the video when we landed and we arrive. We are leaving. We just came off the plane. We are in Dar es Salaam, guys. We're gonna go to customs right now. We're just walking the ramp. Very tired, exhausted. But we are in the airport and we are going to do our baggage claim. And yeah, that's basically it. So next time you see me, I'll be home. Toodaloo.
Shilling is like $1.
Okay.
Call that $1.
Okay.
But it's really about 50 cents Canadian.
Okay.
About 50 cents. 1,000 is like about 50 cents Canadian. For 1,000 you can get a coconut, you can get a bottle of water. You can get a lot of things for 1,000. You can get a meal for 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. You can get a meal. And
So 10,000 is a lot.
10,000 is like, yeah, 10,000 is not here. 10,000 you get a meal for pretty much.
Everybody for 10,000.
Yeah, 10, 15, 20,000.
Wow. Okay. All right.
But you'll see, I mean, that's why our friends, when you go places, you're going to go, hopefully with his wife, he's going to have the wives, and you can go with them and they'll take you around. They'll,
All right, guys. So we are here, and our bags are being packed. We have to use 2 vehicles. We're using this one, and we're using this one here. Our friends are packing our stuff.
Here, let's.
I'm putting our stuff in the van, so they are going to take us home. Yes. Samahani, samahani.
That's why we told you to go to.
Your husband. Okay.
Yeah. I saw.
What size, madam?
Okay.
I was thinking this place was far.
It's far.
Huh?
Very far.
It is far.
Yes.
But this is a big city. But this is a nice place to get something in the city. But we're only here for 4 days.
Really? You're gonna get vehicle, girl, stuff.
Yeah. No, well, not to carry the stuff. We're gonna.
It's okay, tayo ko magaling. We are here at our Airbnb and I'm packing the bag. It's all, we have to take 2 vehicles to get here. Oh my word. And we're in front of the Airbnb waiting to go.